Good morning, everyone. My name is Amrita, and I'm from BCA PPU Batch 1, third year. Today, I'll be presenting MongoDB. So, let's start. So, first of all, we need to know what is MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL document oriented database that stores data in flexible JSON-like format, also called binary format, instead of storing data in the form of raw and columns. Now let's move on to the advantage and disadvantage of MongoDB. So here are some advantages like flexible schema, high scalability, high performance, etc. And disadvantages are higher memory uses, limited asset transaction and data duplications. Now let's see the applications. MongoDB are used in e-commerce applications, gaming applications, mobile applications, etc. Now in MongoDB, we use several commands to perform some kind of task. So let's do it practically to get more familiar with the commands. Okay, so first command is for in MongoDB we have to create first database. So for creating database we're gonna use use command. So let's use, and our database name is college. Okay. Now in database we're gonna create some collection. For that we're gonna use create collection command. And our collection name will be student. Sorry. Okay. And if we want to insert some records, we're gonna use insert command, but there are two insert command, like first one is insert one or second one is insert many. So I'm going to use insert only one command, so I'm going to use insert one command. db dot student dot insert insert one dot is equal to okay, so here we inserted our record, and now if we want to see our collection name, we're gonna use command like db dot student dot find. This command is used to see the collection name. So here are some records, and if we want to do some other tasks like update or remove, so we're gonna use different kinds of commands. So that's all from my side. Thank you.